Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Pau and this is Max, my 6-year-old son, and we are here today to do the unboxing of an amazing product,
the Milk Maker! And
Nutr just sent me this Nutr Machine, and I'm very excited because we've been drinking nut milk, me all my life and my kids since they were born, and now I have a machine to do the nut milk. I can choose the ingredients that are gonna go in my milk, and that's the most important thing because I can decide what to put in my milk. And if you read the ingredients on any commercial nut milk, they have so many ingredients. They have fillers and they have preservatives and flavorings and things that I don't really want to give to my kids. So I'm very excited to open this box right now. So if you want to help me, let's read first what it says here. Build a sustainable world, one glass of nut milk at a time. And I love that. Like, this really goes with my, it aligns with my lifestyle. So let's open the box like this and see what we have first. Thank you for your purchase. This was sent to me as a gift from Nutr. And first of all, I want to tell you that of course I became an ambassador right away. So if after this video you would like to buy your own machine, you can use PAU10 as a code when you buy it. So you have first the instructions on how to use the machine, and it's so simple, and that's another thing that I love about it. What is this, Max?
the instructions?
These are the instructions. You have some cool recipes here to start. So homemade nut milk, this is gonna be the base, and the base is always water and nuts and a pinch of salt, vanilla extract, and some sweetener, for example maple syrup. So that's the base recipe. Then you have pumpkin spice cashew creamer, coconut matcha, a lot of cool recipes here that you can check out. So what we have here, first we can take the machine. Thank you, Max. The weight of the machine also show me how good is the quality, how amazing it is, the machine. And it's so pretty, so gorgeous. It's gonna look amazing in my kitchen. Yes, and then you have what we have here, the core. We have the core, you can take it out, wonderful. We're gonna make a recipe when we finish the unboxing, so stay tuned, stay there. You wanna plug it now?
Yeah, I will plug it.
So easy that kids can do it.
I can plug it. I can plug it.
Perfect, so we have the machine, look at this. Then we have these cool scoops. Yeah, also the material, it looks heavy, right? It feels heavy. Then you have 1 tablespoon and you have 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you want to make. Then we have a brush. Even though the machine has 3 settings, and one of the settings is a self-clean, which is also amazing, so you don't have to go through any trouble cleansing the machine. But if you have anything left, you use the beautiful brush that comes with it. And then we have the strainer. Also the quality looks amazing. Let me see. You have the strainer, so you can strain. Oh, these are stickers. You can keep them.
Yay!
This is so cool. Let me show it to them. These are stickers that your kids can play with it. Can you give me one for me? Okay. Cool. So this is what we have today. We have the Nutr Machine to do your own nut milk. It's a singular serving. And it takes 5 to 10 minutes to make it. Something amazing is that you can be very creative. You can mix whatever you like on your milk and prepare the milk of your dreams if you're into vegan nut-based milks. Oh, made with Nutr. I love it. So you can use this. Remember, if you use the code PAU10, you receive a 10% discount on your next Nutr Machine. And this is something that if you are into healthy living, if you are into plant-based, you need one of these. I'm very happy that they had created this machine. I'm very happy they had sent it to me. And I'm very proud to be an ambassador of this brand. I'm very happy. And I'm gonna be sharing a lot of more recipes on my Instagram, which is Pau_secrets. and Pau Secrets, my channel. Make sure you subscribe so you can follow me with all the amazing recipes that I'm going to create with my new and amazing Nutr Machine.